How to contact Reddit team to solve any problem or issue. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to contact Reddit team and they will answer you quickly. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit and then click in the top corner on the avatar, and after that click on settings, and now go down here and click on help center. After that click on the three lines here and click contact us. Now you have the options to many things. Whatever you want to talk about, you choose and then write your email and the subject and the details and your Reddit username, and drop a file if it help. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe.